All right, we're back. Them old ribs is about right. Let me go and get some out of here. Ooh, look at that. Well, that make you slap your natural bone, mama. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if we're gonna make it to a taste test. Don't you fall off, man. There we go. Ooh, they hot. Buffalo ribs. Turn that eye down a little bit till we get ready to drop the next batch in. Now I'm gonna see if I can do a taste test here. Got my noodles ready. Got the chicken cut up in them. We're about to get this cream of chicken put in there with them. Buffalo ribs, y'all just don't know. Don't know. Try to clear off the space over here so I can get them over here and show you something. So they hot. I don't know. We're gonna try to film it here. Taste test. I don't think I'm gonna get it. There we go. Got the light bread. Got the hot sauce. Like I said, me and the wife, we're gonna throw down, but I'm gonna give y'all a little sample of what I'm working with here. Get a little hot sauce. See, we do it back home. We put the hot sauce on the bread. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Then we make a sandwich. So, like I said, tear that little piece off. You pat it, tear it off a little bit, wrap it on that end. And see, like I said, there's that bone right there. See that bone? Got about two of them in there. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. They ready. Let's see if you can get me on here. All right, here we go. Nice and hot, red hot sauce on there. Ooh. That'll do it right there. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Crunchy. Mm. Like I said, remember that bone right there. That is hot and good. White meat. Y'all see that? Remember white meat. Straight from the Mississippi. All right. I'm gonna let y'all go now because I'm about to get busy here. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen doing buffalo ribs. Like I said, straight from the Mississippi. Slap your mama, my special seasoning. That's a meal right there. All right. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen.